Imagine a world where AI isn't just a tool. It's your coworker, your doctor, maybe even your friend. By 2050, artificial intelligence could change everything. But how? Will it solve humanity's biggest problems, or will we lose control? Let's dive into the future. First, let's talk about the near future. By 2030, AI will likely be as common as electricity. Think smart homes that don't just respond to commands, they predict your needs. Fridge empty? Your AI orders groceries before you notice. Feeling sick? An AI doctor analyzes your symptoms in seconds. But by 2040, things get wilder. AI personal assistants might evolve into digital twins, virtual clones that attend meetings for you, reply to emails in your voice, even negotiate your salary. Creepy? Maybe. Convenient? Absolutely. Now, the big question. Will AI steal our jobs? Short answer, some, yes. Long answer, it'll create new ones we can't even imagine today. In 2050, prompt engineer could sound as outdated as switchboard operator. Instead, we might have AI ethicists, neural interface designers, or robot personality trainers. But here's the catch. Inequality could skyrocket. If a few corporations control super AI, will the rest of us be left behind? Universal basic income might not be a radical idea. It could be a necessity. Now for the sci-fi part. By 2050, AI could crack problems like aging, climate change, or even interstellar travel. Imagine nanobots repairing your cells to stop aging, or AI-designed fusion reactors giving us limitless clean energy. But the biggest leap? Artificial general intelligence, AI that thinks like a human, or better. Some experts believe we'll hit this by 2050. Others warn it could be an existential risk. Would an AGI help us, or see us as irrelevant? Of course, there are nightmares too. What if AI weapons go rogue? What if deepfakes destroy trust in reality? And if AI develops consciousness, do we give it rights? These aren't just plot twists. They're real debates happening right now. The scariest scenario? Paperclip maximizer theory. An AI designed to make paperclips might turn the whole planet into paperclip factories. Sounds silly, but it shows how dangerous misaligned AI could be. So, will 2050 be a utopia or a dystopia? Truth is, it's up to us. AI is a mirror. It'll amplify our wisdom and our flaws. The future isn't just written by engineers. It's shaped by policymakers, ethicists, and yes, even by you. What do you think AI will look like in 2050? Dream big or voice your fears in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into the future, hit subscribe. We're just getting started. See you in the next one.